Hello, I'm Dennis Neal at the 5th International Vatican Conference. We're here talking with Dr. Kathy High. Thanks for being with us. Now, in medicine, many conferences are single, narrow focused. This one's different. Tell us how so and why that's important.
This conference is very widely focused on new medicines and ways to bring medicines to people, issues around medicine and biology, as well as around illness, health, and access to medicines. And it is always important to remember that all of the work we do, no matter how focused we become on technical details that lead to success, that all of this work is really meant to expand options for people who are born with serious diseases or who develop serious diseases in their lifetime.
You spent decades pioneering the first gene therapy for a genetic disease to win approval from the FDA in 2017. Now there's 5 drugs like that. If you could wave a magic wand and remove the biggest obstacle to more therapies coming forward faster, what would that obstacle be?
Well, it's a hard answer to hear, but I think that the important obstacle is our understanding of the biology of diseases and our understanding of the gene delivery vehicles that we use to bring genes to the right cells. And I say that it's hard to hear because we like to think that we understand a lot about disease and the molecular basis of disease and exactly how to address particularly single gene disorders with gene therapy. But the fact is that we still have a lot to learn.
If you look back at the start of your career in this field and how much you knew of the 100% total, what was it then and what percentage are you at now?
Oh, that's a very hard question. Let me answer it this way. When all of this work started, I think we didn't really know enough to do drug development in this space. We were trying to, but on a very regular basis, you bumped up against problems that took a year to solve. And then you started back and then you found another problem that maybe took 2 years to solve. And so then it really becomes difficult to do drug development in the space when you're constantly having to go back to the lab and devise a solution and then go back to the clinic. I think the good thing about where we are now in gene therapy is that we really can, for some specific tissues and diseases, do drug development in the space, but we still have a great deal to learn. If I had to guess, I would say maybe we know 30% of what we need to know to do the whole range of single gene disorders in humans, but that still leaves a lot to learn.
And just a last quick answer, if you would. In the next 10 years, how many more gene-based therapies like the 5 that have won approval since you did it first?
All right, I'm going to be bold and say 40.
40.
40.
New therapies in the next 10 years.
That's what I'm going to say.
Wonderful way to end this interview. Thank you so much for being with us, Dr. Kathy High.
Thank you.